Hi all, we have science paper 3 as the practical and the topic is investigating magnetic and non-magnetic metals. So I'm just giving you a rough idea how to make this practical paper. Let's begin. First one, predict which object will stick to the magnet. Object 1, copper wire. Object 2, steel paper clip. So you had to write here, I think that the first one, copper wire, or which one is magnetic or non-magnetic. So you have to choose which one is magnetic first and you have to write it here. And which one is non-magnetic, you have to write it here. That's it. Now, the second one, tools and equipments required. First one, we need always we need some metals and some magnets. I have one magnet, some metals, steel like copper, like aluminium, like that we have some metals and magnets. So here I have given some pictures. So you have to just write what is the picture. It's a magnet, so you have to write magnet. Right like that, you have to write all the equipments here. Now procedure. It's clearly written what you have to do in this procedure. So you have to just go through this. I will show you how you have to make it. Now record the results in the table given below. First one, copper wire. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? Second one, steel paper clip. Third one, iron nail. Fourth one, aluminium foil. So you have to take a copper wire. So at the end we will see a copper. So you have to take a magnet and just put it like this. If it is attract, it is a magnetic. If it is not attracting, it is a non-magnetic. Like that you have to find. So you have to first fill this table and below we have a graph. See, in this graph I have already given one box for you. First one is steel scissor, and in the in x-axis we have many metal. First one steel scissor, second one copper wire, steel paper clip, iron nail, aluminium foil, like that. And in the y part, y-axis we have distance from the magnet. So we need a ruler to measure this. So in the instruction it's clearly mentioned to take a scale. So we have to take a scale and you have to take a magnet also, and we have to do like this. Take the magnet. Always we put magnet to the magnet's pole we are testing. So just put your magnet here and the 0, we can see 0 point. So 0 point, put it in the one pole. And now, what is the first one? Steel scissor I already gave. So you don't have to do anything with the steel scissor. So next one, copper wire. So this is the copper wire. So copper wire you have to take and find the magnet is sticking or not. See, you can see the magnet has no response at all. That means it's not a magnetic metal. Copper is a non-magnetic metal. So we have to write in the y-axis what is the distance. So we can say it's not attracting. So we can say it's 0.
Centimeter.
0, the unit is centimeter. So you can write 0 centimeter. So in the box, you have to write, in the copper box, you have to say 0. So it will be the same as the y line. And next one, steel paper clip. See now the second one, steel paper clip. So I have steel paper clip. Now I will check. This happens so fast. So be quick. See here I have steel paper clip. I just put it in here. It happens so fast. So you have to be very keen on this. See, and you have to measure the maximum distance where it is sticking. See, it's sticking at this point. So you have to measure this point now. This much centimeter, you have to plot it in the graph. So steel paper clip, how much centimeter, you have to make a graph like this. And also you had to continue rest like for iron nail and aluminum foil, the same experiment. Thank you. Now you are doing a fair test analysis, and the factors in this investigation are: the first one, materials used; the second one, distance of the object from the magnet; the third one, the mass of the materials; and the last one, the shape of the materials. So these are the factors in this investigation. And now we have two factors: experimental group factor and control group factor. Experimental group factor is what is the factor that you are going to change in this investigation. Which one from the factor I told you before? Is it material use, or the distance of the object from the magnet, or the mass of the material, or the shape of the material? Which one we are changing? That is called experimental group factor. You have to write that one. And also we have control group factor. What are the factors that you are going to keep the same in this investigation? That also you have to choose from the various factors. So the correct factor you have to write it there. Dear parents, please note that this experiment needs the maximum supervision by an adult, as most of the material used in this experiment are choking hazards. And this paper, I'm expecting this, you had to send this in the portal before the Team 1 science exam. Thank you.